somebody asked me to make a video about adding music to a project in Gdevelop. Okay, so let's do that. Let's create a new project and let's see what can we use. Let's try the space shooter. Okay, there's the space shooter template. Okay, so let's add music to this. Go to the top here and let me add a new condition. Where did that go? Oh, here it is. Add condition, scene, beginning of the scene, and we want to play a sound on a channel. Now you can choose the sound or WAV file, or you can simply select it here if you already imported the sound. Repeat the sound. Channel identifier, we're going to use 0. You can use whatever number you want. And let's try it out. Now you notice that the sound is a bit, the music is a bit too loud. You can't hear the lasers. Okay, so double click on this and simply turn down the volume for that channel. Set it to 25. And that might be still a little too loud. Set it to, say, I don't know, like 16. And that's a little better. Alright guys, that's how you play music for your projects in Gdevelop. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye now.